medalists, European champions 2017, Francisco Cubero, Javier Cabani, Marcos Walz and Inigo Peña, Spain.
Very happy to catch a medal in this competition because, well, yeah, of course, after the Olympics, which I had a great result. Well, this year I was a bit more calm, and the K1 results didn't really show up this year. But after this result in the K4 with these three big guys, well, I'm just very happy for it. Yeah. Yes, we started with very hot days and now it's been rainy, but even so, we didn't think about that. We just thought of our race, of doing the best race we could, and because, well, we trained it very hard these last days with our trainer Luis Bacedo, and well, we knew very strongly what we had to do, in the race, and we did a great race, so we're very happy with our race. We started very strong, and in the middle we had a very nice strong rhythm, and then we did a very good last sprint. So it was a great race, perfect race. Yeah.